Hello everyone. So, how to manage your external culture in Neopath? First of all, what is external culture? So, external culture is if any culture which is not do by your laboratory, so it goes to another laboratory. So, you have to manage all your external cultures. So, it's very simple. First, you have to add new cultures like go to the cultures and select. You can see already two culture add here, blood culture, step culture. Now we will and showing this green image is your external culture. This green field image shows that it's an external culture. Okay, so how to add any new external culture? Just select create. Like I am adding cultures. Culture collection, and if you want to add sample type, you can add. So how much you will charge for this culture? So I will charge 1200. Okay, and in which lab you want to send this culture? I will send this culture to SRL labs. Okay, so how much SRL lab charge for this? So SRL lab charge for this 500 rupees. Okay, so this is your expenses and this is your income. Okay, you will charge 1200 for this culture and SRL lab charge 500 for this culture. And now you have to add consumptions. If you want to add any consumption, you can add like and save. After add comments and products, you can save. Okay, after save, you can see it's added. Culture saved successfully, that means it's added culture collection. So this is how you can add your new culture, external culture. So how will you recognize that this is external culture? So it's very simple. This green field image shows that it's an external culture. Okay, this green field image shows that it's an external culture. Okay, so now I will show how to create invoice of any patient which has done their external cultures. Okay, so after adding culture, you have to select invoice, create invoice. Suppose I am creating invoice of this patient. Okay, patient. One second. Rakesh Kumar. Okay, after selecting Rakesh Kumar, you can see all the information has automatically filled. Now you have to add a culture. I will add step culture. I will add culture collection. Okay. After adding culture collection, it's directly add. You can see we have set the price 1200 for culture collection in this video. So you can see 1200. So I will charge 1200 for the culture collection. Okay, and it's an external culture, so that will goes to another lab and they will charge 500 rupees for that. Okay, after selecting, I will pay all the amount like 1200 and save. Cash save. Group saved successfully. Okay, you can see the invoice, receipt of your culture. Okay, now it will shows you on external cultures. You can see Rakesh Kumar, culture name, lab name, SRL labs. This patient culture goes to SRL labs. Okay. transfer date, collecting person. If you want to add, like if you want to add collecting person, just click edit details and select person and save. After save, you can see Ram. Okay, so this day this culture arrived by Ram. Okay, and the status is sent. So this is how you can manage your external culture very easily in Neopath. So you can easily manage your external text, external cultures in Neopath very easily. Thank you.